This is kimchi week. Ingredients. I'm using local ingredients, especially the chili flakes, which doesn't have much heat, but I think will do the job. First, I cut a big cabbage into 4 pieces and small ones into 3. I have no reason for using 2 different sizes of cabbages. Then I removed the stems and my cabbages are ready to be brined. In order to do that, I first placed them in a large bowl and sprinkled a lot of salt. Even in between layers. When it's done, it is left alone for about 1.5 hours. And I'll be flipping them every 30 minutes so the brine touches all the surfaces of the cabbage. I have carrot and white radish for the extra crunch and parsley and spring onion for the green color. The next step is the paste. Before blending the paste, I flipped all the cabbages. You can feel it started to get wet because the water inside is excreted through osmosis. I have garlic, shallot, and ginger, plus an apple for the paste. Moreover, I used honey, fish sauce, soaked dried shrimps, and blended it. For the starch, I used 5 tablespoons of regular rice powder. In the second flip, I transferred the cabbages into a tray because I need the bowl to mix my paste. You can see a lot of water came out. The rice goo, chili flakes, the blended paste, a little bit of fish sauce, and vegetables are mixed thoroughly. Now the cabbages are fully wilted. I washed and drained them for about 10 minutes and they are ready to go into the paste. My kimchi is ready to be fermented. I'm leaving it at the room temperature for about 48 hours. After 24 hours, you can see the liquids. I think they are partly from the rice goo and partly from the cabbage itself. After 48 hours, it is done. The fermented smell itself is just refreshing. I couldn't think of any interesting recipe, so I made kimchi stew. Thank you.